Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all fine. Children, today I'm going to start with a new lesson in English 1. So before that, I want you all to be ready with your Sparrow Send to Textbook. Take out page number 16. Page number 16. Lesson number 3, the tortoise and the geese. This is the story of the tortoise and the geese. Before starting the lesson, I have written few meanings here. Let me go through, children. So the first one is drought. Meaning is a period of dry weather. Distant, some place far away. Unison, together. Famine, shortage of food. Okay. As again, even I want you also to read along with me. Okay, children. Let me start. Lesson number 3, the tortoise and the geese. Once upon a time, there was a tortoise who lived near a pond. So, once upon a time, so there was a tortoise who was living in a pond. So, can you see? So, the tortoise and the geese and the pond. Yes, you can see the picture in your textbook. So, once upon a time, there was a tortoise who lived near a pond. The pond was full of fish. So, in the pond, it was full of fish. Two geese used to come to the pond to drink water and catch fish. These two geese, they used to come near the pond to drink water and to catch fish. All of them became very close friends and lived happily for many years. So when the geese, they used to come to drink water and to catch fish, no? So this tortoise and the geese, they became very close friends and they were living very happily for many years. Even you have many friends and you are also living for many years. Yes or no, children? Yes. Sadly, after a few years, there was a drought in the country. For a long time, there was no rain. So, all of a sudden, what happened? After a few years, there was a no drought. Drought means what, children? A period of dry weather. So, a period of dry weather in the country. For a long time, there was no rain. So, for a long time, there was no rain. Rivers and ponds were drying up. So if there is no rain, so what will happen to this rivers and the ponds? It will start drying up. There were famine in the land. People and animals were dying. Birds were flying away to places of safety. So there were famines because of the shortage of food. Because of shortage of food, no, many peoples and animals were dying. So because of that, what did the birds do? The birds were flying to other places of their safety. The two geese saw danger from the storm. Even if there is no water, if there is no fish to eat to the geese, even they start dying from hunger. Who? The geese. They decided to go away to another place. Who decided? The geese decided to go to another place. So they came to say goodbye to their friend for tortoise. So because they are dying from hunger, so the tortoise and the geese, they were very close friends and they were living very happily for many years. So this geese, they came to say goodbye to tortoise. So the poor tortoise could not believe that they could leave him behind to die. So when they came to say goodbye, the tortoise did not believe that they are leaving this tortoise alone and they are leaving from this place. But why are you leaving? The tortoise is asking, why are you leaving? Asked the tortoise in surprise. You would know if you could fly in the sky and look down, said the geese. The pond almost dry and no fish is left over. So what the geese is saying to the tortoise, if you would have fly in the sky, you would have known the dry weather and there is no water in the pond and the river. So we are going to die if we stay for a long time here. And there is no fish also left over. If we don't leave soon, we are going to die surely. If we are not going to leave this place at the moment, so we know that we are going to die surely. Who is saying this? He is saying to a tortoise. Go to the next page. But where are you going? So the tortoise is asking. But where are you going? Asked the tortoise. To a distant place where it will be easier to find food and water, said the geese. So distant means what, children? Some place far away. We are going to some other place where it is far away. So where we get find food and water, said the geese to a tortoise. So So when are you going? Again the tortoise is asking a question to him. When are you going? So ask the tortoise. In an hour. So within an hour time we are leaving this place. So soon you are leaving? Who is asking? Tortoise is asking. So soon? Should not I be going with you? Even can I come with you? Exclaimed the tortoise. But how can you come with us? Asked the geese. So again when the tortoise asks, even can I come with you? But the geese ask, how can you come with us? Why can't I? Said the tortoise. Why can't I? Said the tortoise. To whom is saying? To the geese. Don't you know why you can't fly? Said the geese together. So you don't know why you are not able to fly. Who is saying? The geese is saying to a tortoise. Then is not it your duty to save your friend life? It is your duty to save that friend life, no? Who is saying? The tortoise is saying to a geese. It's not it's your duty to save a friend life, but how shall we do that? So the geese is asking, but how can we help you? Carry me on your back. Who is saying? Carry me on your back, said the tortoise. But our backs are very small. So the geese are saying our backs are very small. If you fall off during the flying, surely you may die. Who is saying? The geese is saying to a tortoise. The tortoise thought for a while and then said, can you carry me on with your beaks? So again the tortoise is saying, can you carry with your beaks? Who is saying? The tortoise is saying, we can, yes we can, said the geese, but it will be made painful for you. So it will be made painful for you because our beaks will dig into your body. So when you open your mouth and when your body puts something inside, so when they keep mouth shut, so it will be more painful. Yes or no? So it will be made more painful for you. The tortoise thought a little longer. He thought for another idea. Then suddenly he raised his head and said brightly, I have an idea. Who is saying? The tortoise is saying to a geese. Get me a long strong stick. It will grip the middle of it with my teeth. Then each of you can hold one end of the stick in your beak and fly. So he gave an idea that get me a long stick. Long and strong stick. Okay, I am going to grip that middle of with my teeth. Then each one of you can hold the end of the stick. Who is saying? The tortoise is saying. Then what you can do? You can hold one end at the end of the stick in your beak and you can start flying. What an excellent idea. Who is saying? Geese is saying to a tortoise. What an excellent idea. So exclaim the geese in unison. So exclaim means what? Cry out suddenly. Okay, cry out suddenly in surprise. So the geese in unison together they started. So the geese soon found a long strong bamboo stick. So as soon as the tortoise told no, so get me a long strong stick. So what did the geese do? So the geese soon found a long strong bamboo stick from the forest. Before starting their journey, the geese cautioned. Caution means what? He warned something to the tortoise. Their friend not to open his mouth in any case. So when we are holding the stick at the end, so the tortoise will be holding with his mouth in the middle with the help of his stick. So you are not going to open your mouth in any case. Who is saying? Geese is saying to tortoise. Okay? Friend not to open his mouth in any case. With this instruction, the geese held. So you are not supposed to open your mouth in any case. So with this instruction, so the geese held the stick in the ends in their beaks and the tortoise held the stick in the middle with his help of the teeth. The tortoise assured his friend. So when he told no, when the geese told that you are not supposed to open your mouth in any case, the tortoise assured means guaranteed his friends that he would keep his mouth shut. I am going to keep my mouth shut. I am not going to open my mouth. Even he guaranteed to geese. Then they started their journey. So then they started journey. They flew higher and higher over hills, valleys, fields and plains. So they started moving higher and higher in the sky. They were in a deep blue sky. So you can see the sky, no? They were in the deep blue sky. What a wonderful sight it was. So when you go somewhere, so you will see the nature. So what a wonderful sight, the place. So what a wonderful sight it was. Ultimately they flew over a village. When they started flying over a village, you can see the picture in the next page. So they started flying over a village. A flying stick with a goose at each end and a tortoise in the middle. So how they were flying, children? A flying stick with a goose at each end and a tortoise in the middle. Excuse me. All the people who were outdoors were surprised at his wonderful sight. So those who were outside in the village, so they were very surprised to see this tortoise and the geese. All the people who were outdoors were surprised at this wonderful sight. They started laughing and clapping. So they started watching by seeing this geese and tortoise. They started laughing and clapping to see the geese carrying the tortoise like that. They were very happy that geese is carrying the tortoise like this. Is not it clever of a tortoise to hang on to a stick like that? They said. So what did they say? Isn't clever that of a tortoise to hang on a stick like that? They said. The tortoise was highly pleased at these words of praise. They were started that he was very happy. He proudly said, he proudly said himself, it was my plan. It was by himself only he is saying it was my plan, because he is listening what the people are saying. So he can't say, he can't open his mouth and say it is my plan. Yes or no? The geese paid no attention to what the people said. The geese are not paying any attention what the people are saying. Their attention is to take this tortoise to the safer place. They are not listening to their words. All their attention was fixed on taking the tortoise to safe place. The geese attention was to take the tortoise to the safe place. But everything below attracted the gaze of the tortoise. So everything below. So when you see it down, it was very attracting to this tortoise. When they were crossing a field, so when they were crossing a field, the farmers said to each other, say even the farmers watched this geese and the tortoise, they said to each other, look there, it's not clever of the geese to carry a tortoise like that. So what they are saying, they are praising the geese here. It is a clever of the geese to carry a tortoise like that. They are praising whom? The farmers are praising to a geese. The tortoise thought it unfair that people should praise the geese for that. Okay, the tortoise thought that it is unfair, it is not fair, it is unfair that they are praising a geese because it was my plan. Who is saying? The tortoise is saying. The people should praise the geese for that. The people should praise the geese of the tortoise. So who is thinking like, because who is struggling? Who is taking more pain here? The geese is taking more pain and they are taking more attention to place this tortoise to the safer place. But what the tortoise is thinking that this is my plan. Why they are praising this? Why the farmers are praising this geese is thinking. It was my idea, he said to himself. Oh, again he is saying to himself, it is my idea. Okay, why are these people praising the geese for that? Why are this praise? People are praising this geese for that to carry me like this. So because he don't know how much pain, how much struggle is taken by the geese. Okay, who? The tortoise. Forgetting all that, forgetting what the geese had got, the tortoise opened his mouth to say, hey you, because the clear instruction was given to the tortoise that you are not supposed to open your mouth, you have to keep your mouth shut in any case. Even what did the tortoise? He guaranteed to the geese that I am not going to open my mouth in any case. But when the people, when the farmers, when they started praising the geese, he could not control him. So he started opening his mouth, and before he completed his sentence, hey you, but before he could complete this sentence, he lost his grip from the stick and fell to the ground with a loud dump. The poor tortoise died because of his foolishness and impatience. Because of his foolishness and impatience, what happened? He died. So he was who took more pain? Is who took children? Geese. Okay, geese was struggling more, but because of the foolishness and impatience, so the tortoise lost his life. Okay, children, this is the story of the tortoise and the geese. So always you foolishness. You should not act. Okay. So before you act something, you have to think and many times. Okay. So I want you all to go through this lesson, read the lesson, okay, and practice the meanings. Now we'll start doing the textbook exercise. So I want you all to be ready with your pencil. Okay, take out your pencil and eraser. Page number 19. Yes, children? Okay, I hope everyone are ready with your pencil. Page number 19, children. Page number 19. Exercise A. Okay. First one, people and animals were dying due to the dash in the country. So because of what? Because of drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Second one, the geese decided to go to a dash place. Where they decided? This time. D-I-S-T-A-N-T. Next, the geese said that carrying the tortoise in their beak would be very, what children? Will be very painful. P-A-I-N-F-U-L. Painful. Before the journey, Dash cautioned the Dash not to open his mouth. So first given the warning from whom? Geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. The second one, tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-C-E, tortoise. Next, the tortoise thought that it was unfair for the people to praise the geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Next, true or false? Exercise B. It became difficult for the geese and tortoise to find fish in the pond. No, children, in the beginning. So, true. The geese decided to fly off to the distant land. Yes, true. The geese carry the tortoise on their back. No, wrong. False. The tortoise was happy when the people praised the geese. False. The tortoise died due to his foolishness and impatience. No, children? Yes, no, true? Yes, true. Next, turn the page. Turn the page. Exercise D. Okay. Complete the crossword given above with suitable words. This main I am going to complete it. I am going to say. So I want you to complete that crossword. Okay, children? First one, have you got any English what? Dictionary. D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. Okay? This is my son, my daughter and my husband. Okay? H-U-S-B-A-N-D. Third one, nice to dash you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I haven't got any money. Oh, dash mine. What, children? Never. Fourth one is what? Never. Our school is dash the theatre. Our school is what, children? Near the theatre. Near. N-E-A-R. Don't get confused. Fourth one is never and fifth one is near. Rohit and ice cream. Yes, dash. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Take some dash. You look tired. Take some rest. When you are tired, what you will do, children? You will rest for some time, no? Yes? Next. 8th one, I have got a brother, dash, I have got a sister. number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. My dash is 90, yet he quite active. He is 90, but he is active. What children? Grandpa. G-R-A-N-D-P-A, grandpa. Complete these sentences and find the hidden words. English is what? What children? You can guess and you can write. So I want you to complete this. So you have written this answers, no? You have to complete this in the crossword. In this, the answers whatever you have written in this should be completed in this. You have to complete this mail by yourself. Okay? So I want you to practice E and F may. Ask your partner any 4 questions beginning with like where are you going, what are you doing. You can write by yourself. Next, exercise G. Ask those in your group, have you got a dash? Have you got a doll, ball, mobile camera? If it is yes, you need to tick. If it is no, you need to cross out. Okay? Creative writing. Write 5 sentences on friendship beginning with the following words. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Friendship is necessary for a real enjoyment of life. I want you to complete this made by yourself. So I want you to complete the crossword also. Okay children, you can take help of this words. This complete this lesson. Okay children, I will be checking the textbook exercise part in the interactive session. Thank you children.